Hello students, welcome to my channel Class Time. This is Ritu Gupta. In the previous video, we covered the topic direct variation and we did 4 questions of 11.1. Today we'll finish that exercise and we'll try to understand all the questions which were left. So direct variation, I told you in the previous video, the formula of direct variation. Let us revise that once. The formula was x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2. Okay, so 2 variables will be given to us in every question and we will use this formula to find out the missing value. So we'll start with question number 5. The question number 5 is a photograph of a bacteria enlarged itne times attains a length of 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter length and actual length they are asking. So for calculating actual length, they are saying if when we took the photograph, so the enlarged, it gets enlarged by 50,000 times. So actual length निकालने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे? Here no need of using the formula of direct variation. Directly divide 5 centimeter with 50,000 and you will get your answer. Okay, so cut it. This will become 1 upon 10,000 and your answer will be 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, so this is the actual length 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter. Okay, now the second part of the question says if the photograph is enlarged 20,000 times, what will be its enlarged length? So first it was enlarged by 50,000 times. At that time the length was 5 centimeter. Now they are saying that it is enlarged by 20,000. They are saying you to find out the enlarged length. Okay, so 2 variables we have here. This is x and this is y. X, this is the length and this is the number of times they are enlarged. Number of times. Okay, so x, for x, this is the first variable x1 and this will be x2, and for the length, because we are taking y, so y1 and y2. Okay, now the formula is, for you will write down first, it is direct variation. Okay, because you are reducing here, so the length will also reduce. So it is direct variation. Write down the formula x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2. Now place the values. For x1 it is for 50,000 upon y1 is 5 is equal to 20,000 upon y2 is kuch nahi hai, you have to find out the value, so write down y2. Now cross multiplication in the same way which we have done, like we have done 4 questions of the chapter. So this will be 50,000 into y2 is equal to 5 into 20,000. Now what you will do? This is in multiplication here. You will take this here in division. So y2 will be 5 into 20,000 divided by 50,000. So your answer will be, cut these 4 zeros, 5 se 5 cut ho jayega and your answer will be 2 centimeter. So you see, when you have reduced this, the number of times it was enlarged, when you have reduced this, then the length is also reduced. Here the length was, large length was 5 centimeter, here it came to be 2 centimeter. Okay, so this is direct variation. So we have finished question number 5 here. Now let's take up the next question. In the model of a ship, the mast is 9 centimeter high while the mast of the actual ship is 12 meter high. So here we have 2 ships, actual ship and we are talking about model ship. And 2 variables which we are taking here is the mast of the ship. Mast of the ship is the vertical pole we are talking about. Pole which gives support to the ship. So mast of the ship and then the length of the ship. Now the mast for the actual, they are saying actual ship is 12 meter and for the model ship they are saying it is 9 centimeter. Length they are saying is, length of the ship is 28 meter in the question. Now they are saying if length of the actual ship is 28 meter, then what is the length of the model ship? So what is not given to us is the length of the model ship. Now again in the same way we will take two variables x and y. So let this is x and this is y. So x1, x2, y1, y2. y2 is missing here. So same what we will write down. First we will write down that this is a direct proportion or direct variation. So students, first of all write down it is direct variation or proportion, whatever you like. Now the formula for it, x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2. Put the values here. x1 is 12. This is in meter. This is in meter. This is in centimeter. We will not change the value here in centimeter because yahan we are taking here proportions, ratios. So if two things are in meter and one is in centimeter, so no need of any change. We will get the value of y2 in centimeter itself. So don't change, don't try to convert meter into centimeter here because these are in ratios. So what we will do is 12 upon 28 is equal to 9 upon y2 is missing, write down y2. Now again cross multiplication, this will become 12 into y2 is equal to 28 into 9. Now find out y2. y2 will be 28 into 9. We will take this here in the division on right hand side, 12. Now cut it. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 4 7s are, and your answer is 21 because we were finding out the length of the model ship and this value was in centimeters. See here. So we will write down centimeter here. Don't write meter here. Okay. This will be in centimeter. Is it clear? So we have finished question this also. Now the next question, question number 7. So question number 7 is, suppose they are saying 2 kg of sugar contains 9 into 10 to the power 6 crystals. So we two things, again two variables here we have. One is the weight of the sugar and another are the crystals. So we will write down weight of sugar and then crystals. Okay. So take this as x and this as y. Always take two variables. So what is the weight of the sugar? In the first case it is 2 kg. So 2, write down here, it is given in kg, 2 kg, and the next they are saying is 9 into 10 to the power 6 crystals. So 9 into 10 to the power 6. Now they are saying how many sugar crystals. So sugar crystals we have to find out when there is 5 kg of sugar. So this is 5 kg given to us. Okay. So what is missing here? Again y2 is missing in this. So write down x1, x2, y1, y2. Now write down this is direct variation. I am writing in short form. You write it in complete full form. Now x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2. And do this in the same manner. Put the values. 2 upon 9 into 10 to the power 6 is equal to 5 upon y2. y2 you have to find out. Again cross multiply. This will be 2 into y2 is equal to 5 into 9 into 10 to the power 6. Now y2 will be 5 into 9 into 10 to the power 6. Now this 2 will come here in division. So what will be your answer? Cut it and find out the answer. This will become, ye 2 se cut to hoga nahi. So multiply them. 9 5s are 45. 45 into 10 to the power 6 upon 2. Now divide 45 by 2. So 2 divided by 45, you will get 2 2s are 4, 5. Then again 2 2s are 4, 1.0, and this will be 5. So 22.5 into 10 to the power 6 crystals is the answer. So in 5 kg, in 2 kg, it was only 9 into 10 to the power 6. Now in 5 kg, it is increased. So this is direct variation. When one thing is increasing, the other one is also increasing. So this is our answer. Now they have given two parts in this. The another part is 1.2 kg of sugar. So in this, what you will do, 5 kg ki jagah, you just replace this 5 kg by 1.2 kg. So all the calculations will be same. I am just replacing this by 1.2. So here in place of 5, it will be 1.2. Then again here in place of 9, nahi 5, sorry, this will be 1.2. Now calculate this calculation. Bas itna you have to do here. So this will be cut it. This will become 0.6 and 9 6 are 54. So this will be 5.4 into 10 to the power 6 crystals. So now this, see, now when we have reduced the weight of the sugar, here it was 2 kg, now we have reduced, so the crystals also reduced. So here both are decreasing. So this is again an example of direct variation. So this is the answer. Okay beta, now let's come to the next question. The next question is, Rashmi has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometer. What does it mean? When we represent something on map, then it always appears to us smaller. So 18 kilometer is represented as only 1 centimeter. So you write down two variables here, scale. On the scale it is 1 centimeter, but the actual distance is 18 kilometer, which Rashmi is covering. Okay. Now they are saying she drives on the road for 72 kilometer. Now Rashmi is driving for 72 kilometer. Actual distance is 72 kilometers. Now they are asking you that what would be this distance on the map. So let this we have to find out. So again two variables x, y, write down x1, x2, y1 and y2. Use the formula, write down the same thing. This is direct proportion, and then x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2. x1 is 1 upon 18 is equal to, no need of again converting this. Kilometer, keep kilometers as kilometers and centimeters as centimeters. Whatever x2 will come, we will put it in centimeter only. So no need of changing here. Again I am telling you, when we are taking things in ratios, then it's not necessary. If two things are in kilometer, then let it be in kilometer, because when you will convert them in centimeter, then their 10 ki powers will cancel out. So there is no need, just take it like this only, 1 upon 18, and then x2 we have to find out, missing value is 8, then x2, then 72. Same method, cross multiplication, 1 into 72 is equal to x2 into 18, and this x2 will be 72. Now this 18, because we have to find out x2, so we will take this 18 here in denominator. So this will be 1 into 72 upon 18. Cut it and you will get the answer. Okay, cut it with 3 first. 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6 and 3 4s are 12, and this is 4. So the answer is 4, and because this was in centimeter scale, so we will write down here centimeter. So this is our final answer, 4 centimeter. So this value is 4 centimeter. We have calculated it. Okay. Good. Now next question is question number 9. This was question number 8, and now we are doing question number 9. So question number 9 says that a 5 meter 60 centimeter high vertical pole is casting shadow. So here they have given us the length of the pole and their shadow. So two variable, pole, length of the pole, this is question number 9, and the shadow. So length of the pole we can take as, this is 5 meter 60 centimeter. So I am converting this into meter. 5 meter 60 centimeter को कैसे convert करेंगे? 5 into 100, this will become you do one thing, इसको convert this into centimeters, नहीं meters में convert करते हैं. चले, तो this will be 5.60 meters. Okay, so length of the pole is 5.60 meters, and shadow is 3.20. I have converted this also into meters. Now they are saying find at the same time the length of the shadow cast by another pole 10 meter 50 centimeter. 10 meter 50 centimeter they are saying. So that will be 10.50. So write down length of the pole is 10.50. Now they are asking you what will be the length of the shadow. Okay. So two variables, again write down x, y, x1, x2, y1 and y2. So it is direct variation. Then x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2. You have to find out y2 here. So x1 is 5.60, y1 is 3.20 is equal to x2 is 10.50 and y2 we have to find out. Cross multiplication, 5.60 into y2 is equal to 3.20 into 10.50. So y2 will be 3.20 into 10.50 upon 5.60. Okay, so how will you do it? Simplify it. सबसे पहले remove the decimals, point. This will, both will get removed, and then you will put when you will remove this, you will put 100 here. When you will remove this, you will put another 100 here. Then when you will remove this decimal, again 100 here. Cut this 100 with 100, 0, 0 cancel out, 0, 0 cancel out. Now cut this with 8. 8 4s are 32, 8 7 0. Now cut it with 7, 7 1 0, 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Now this will be 3, 5 se cut, I am cutting it with 5 and 2, 2, 2. So this will be, y2 will be 6 centimeter. What is your answer final? 6, meter. We were calculating, we were doing this whole in meter, so 6 meter. Okay, the answer will be 6 meter. So this is the first part. Two parts are given to us in question number 9. In question number 9, they are again asking you find out the height of the pole. Now you have to find out the height of the pole when they have given us the shadow. Shadow is given to us. So अभी आप क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? Change it here. Length of the height of the pole they are asking. So question mark here. X2 is not given to us, and y2 they are saying is 5 meter. Shadow is 5 meter. So this is 5 meter is given to us. So proceed in the same way. Put the values and you will get the answer. करें बेटा इसको. x1 here will be 5.60, y1 will be 3.20, then x2 हमें निकालना है and this is 5. Now just cross multiplication, do this. So this will be 5.60 into 5 is equal to x2 into 3.20. So x2 here will be, you will take this here in the left hand side in the denominator, and this will be 5.60 into 5 upon 3.20. Calculate it and that will be your final answer in meters. Okay, do it yourself. I know you all can do it properly. Now the next question, last question of this exercise is a loaded truck travels 14 km in 25 minutes. This is clear. I am erasing it. Now let's move to the last question. And students, if you like the video, if these questions are clear to you, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, let's go for the 10th question. 10th is a loaded truck travels 14 km in 25 minutes. So distance and time, two variables here we have, distance and time. So distance here is 14 kilometers, and time here is 25 minutes. Now they are saying if the speed remains the same, how far can it travel in 5 hours? Now 5 hours, time again is given to us, this is 5 hours. And now they are asking you how far it can travel. So what is missing here? Distance when in 5 hours. How much distance this truck will travel in the 5 hours. This is in hour, this is in minute. Now in this question we have to convert hour into minutes, then only we can do this. Because ratio should be same. Minute should be here, it should also be minute. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. You all children know this, I know. And then 5 hour will be equal to 5 into 60, that is 300 minutes. So what you will do is convert this into minutes. So in place of 5 hours, you write down 300 minutes. Now continue the question in the same way we have done all the questions in this exercise. This will be x, this will be y, x1, x2, y1, y2. Now write down this is, it is direct variation, and then formula x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2, and then x1 is 14, upon y1 is 25. x2 we have to find out, and y2 is here now 300. Don't take 5 hours, write down 300. Same method, cross multiplication. This will become 14 into 300 is equal to x2 into 25, and x2 will be 14 into 300 divided by 25. Okay, cut it. 5 से cut कर लेते हैं. 5 5 are 25, 5 6 are 30, 0. Then again cut it with 5. 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. So 14 into 12. You just multiply and give the answer, and that would be the answer in kilometers. 14 12s are, what will be your answer? You can find it out yourself. So we have done all 10 questions of it. Before 11.1, some examples are also given in the book. Please practice those examples. For the examination point of view, examples are also very, very important. And if you have any problem in these questions, then please write me in comment section. In the next video, we will cover indirect variation also. Thank you very much for watching the video. Share this with your friends and subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you so much.